Hi everybody, just putting the base down for the shed. As you can see, I've got a damp proof membrane down on it. I have the timbers. Let me see if I can show you how I put them together. I just cut them in on the corners. I then square it up on it corner to corner, and then I nail it like a 5 dice. Now go on all 4 corners, so that's level. Then I have to try and level it up. So leveling up here on this corner is almost on the floor. When I go around there and I'm level up at this corner around here, it's almost 3 inches lower. So what I do there is I put these screws in, which is underneath there, and I screw them down till they hit the concrete, and then I raise it up to the level I want, and then I put screws and I level it all the way around. And then tomorrow I will pour the concrete inside, and in a little while from now I will get the plastic and I will bend it over and then tack it to the side, so then that will keep the concrete will then wrap in underneath there and everything could be perfect. So I didn't realise how big this shed is. 4 metres 5 long by 2 metres 1 wide. Yes, thanks for watching.